Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your iPhone, or for some reason the sound is just not working. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The very first thing I would recommend you to always do is to try your best at increasing the volume of your iPhone by going through and either sliding up from the top portion of your specific iPhone and bringing your volume all the way down up here, all the way to the top like that. That is pretty much the easiest way to do it. Sometimes you may have some faulty volume buttons or anything like that. Also, if you're in an application like Instagram or Snapchat, if you open up your story, even if your volume is up, you may still have to go ahead and click the volume up or volume down button, or click on the unmute button if there's one there, in order for the video audio to actually start playing. So that's another big thing to keep in mind. And another thing I would recommend doing is making sure you don't have any other accessories, connected to your iPhone. So if you have speakers, AirPods, anything like that, you may want to disconnect them or connect them and put them in your ear if you're trying to listen that way. That's another thing I recommend doing. On top of that, if you go ahead and make your way over to, Photos application, for example, if you try opening up a video, sometimes, here's a video, for example, sometimes if you go ahead and look at the bottom of these types of videos, you may be able to see some sort of unmute button, which is right there. So what you can do here is click into the video right here. You want to go ahead and unmute the video by clicking on the unmute button, and that's another thing you could do to go ahead and fix this. Now, this video doesn't have any audio. If I were to go into a video that did have audio, you'll basically be able to see that that specific issue should be fixed as of that point. So here's another example. As you can see, you can't hear the video, but if I go and start increasing the volume by doing this, you'll be able to hear it. So those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If those things still don't work, you may want to go ahead and power down your iPhone and power back on. You may want to go through and actually go into your settings, and you may want to update your iPhone too. That's another thing you could do. But that pretty much covers it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.